First, we add the yogurt, and using its own cup, we'll measure 3/4 of oil. It doesn't have to be an exact measurement, just a little more than half. 3 eggs, and let's mix it well. Now measure 2 cups of wheat flour. 2 cups of sugar. And 1 tablespoon baking powder. Mix everything very well. Put it in a greased and floured pan. And then just put it in the oven, which was already preheated to 180 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. For the topping, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of butter or margarine, 5 crumbled pachokas of 15 grams each, and mix until it reaches a soft brigadeiro consistency. If in the end your brigadeiro is too hard to spread on top, you can mix in whole milk little by little, 1 spoonful at a time, and stir until it gets soft again. Now, we spread the topping on top and add 2 more crumbled pachokas. Kisses, and see you in the next video.